Hello all. Our stop is at Morningside Nature Forest, which is a sandhill ecosystem. Sandhill ecosystems are known for their widely spaced pine trees, deciduous oaks, and its pine savanna. Pine savannas are areas of open pine canopy over ground cover of grasses. The three types of plants found in a sandhill understory are woody shrubs, grasses, and forbs, as you can see all around here. The primary disturbance within a sandhill ecosystem is frequent fire. You can see that all along the trees here if you get up closer. Fire occurs in this ecosystem about every 2 years, and fire provides an important ecological role since they release seeds of herbaceous plants, which controls the understory and hardwoods. Fires also benefit sandhill forests because they release nutrients into the soil, which exposes bare soil for seed germination. Some major tree species in this community are turkey oak, as you can see right here, saw palmetto, longleaf pine, and wiregrass. Get real close. And broom's edge. As you can see, the soils are not nutrient rich, and these are all found on all coastlines.